Welcome. If you've ever struggled to quickly find starred emails that are older than a year in Gmail, this updated guide is for you. Whether you're looking for an important conversation or just want to clear out your inbox, these steps will show you exactly how to track down your oldest starred messages on your Android or iPhone. Start by opening the Gmail app on your phone. If you haven't updated the app in a while, it's a good idea to check for updates first to make sure you see the latest features. Once you're in the app, look to the top left corner for the familiar 3 horizontal lines. This is the menu icon. Tap it. This opens up a side panel where you'll find all the primary sections of your email from inbox to drafts. Scroll until you find the one labeled starred. Tap to open it. Now you're in the dedicated section where all your starred messages are collected. If you have a lot of them, finding older conversations can still be a challenge. Here's the trick. Notice the search bar at the top of your screen. Just below it, you'll spot a filter option labeled Date. Tap on Date to reveal more filtering choices. A menu will appear with options to sort emails by date. Choose older than a year. Instantly, Gmail will show you only those starred emails that are more than 12 months old. This makes it simple to revisit crucial messages, follow up on long-standing conversations, or tidy up your mailbox. Please note that on some iPhones, Gmail might only sync the latest 30 to 90 days of messages, meaning you may need to adjust your sync settings or use a desktop browser to view emails from further back if you don't see them right away. And that's how easy it is to locate starred emails older than a year on Gmail with just a few taps. Stay organized, never lose track of what matters, and get to your important messages faster by using these steps anytime you need.